friends, welcome to Uthra Srini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. One of our favorite foods that we want to eat over and over and over again without getting bored is falafel sandwich. Our family loves this tasty New York City style falafel sandwich. Falafel sandwich on a warm pita bread or falafel over rice, both are delicious and a great meal option for vegetarians any time of the day. In today's video, we are going to make a tasty falafel pita sandwich. Let's take a look onto the ingredients. Pita bread. We are using whole wheat pita bread. Shredded lettuce. Cucumber. Fresh juicy tomatoes. Sauteed onions and peppers. It's optional, but trust me guys, this adds great texture to the sandwich. Always sneak in veggies whenever possible. What's a falafel sandwich without falafels? If you want to know how to make falafels, watch our suggested video that pops on top. Greek yogurt cucumber dip, or known as Tzatziki Sauce. Do you want to know how to make this sauce? Watch our suggested video that pops up on top. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once oil is hot, add onions and saute. Add peppers and saute for a minute. Season with salt and pepper. We like our peppers and onions half cooked, where it retains its crunch. If you don't like it, then saute for another minute till the vegetables are cooked well. Transfer and keep it aside. Heat a pan and toast the pita bread till it becomes soft and warm. We are using pocket pita bread, sliced in half, so we have the pocket to stuff with lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, sauteed onions and peppers, falafel, drizzle Greek yogurt cucumber dip. If you're like me and love spicy food, then drizzle some hot sauce to add an extra kick to the sandwich. Full-flavored Mediterranean pita falafel sandwich is ready. I can't wait to try this. Once I get my hands onto this wonderful sandwich, I'm going to take a huge bite. Trust me friends, this sandwich is amazing. Try this recipe and share your comments and feedback. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!